Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your headphones JBL Tune 125 TVS. So let's start. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on your right earbud. Okay, maybe I turn on it. So I press one time and I pause it, I press one time again and I play a song. If you press one time on your left earbud, you will play next song. If you press two times, you will play previous song. Sometimes it's lagging, it's okay. Yeah, see, I just play previous song. Here we go. Okay, now if you press two times on your right earbud, you will call a voice assistant. It can be Siri or Google Assistant if you have Android. Here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time. And then you can reject a call by pressing one time on your right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.